Hi, I'm Beck and Food's my life. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make another delicious midweek meal with plenty of leftovers for lunch the next day. And it's coming right up. So today I'm showing you how to make my spicy chorizo pasta. This recipe was one that my family came up with and we've been making it for ages now because it's just so quick and simple and it doesn't compromise on flavour. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, I'm going to start with a large saucepan on a medium to high heat. And in this saucepan I'm going to add just a little splash of olive oil. Once my oil is hot enough, I'm going to add some garlic and some red onion that I've chopped up. Give that a good mix. Now I purposely haven't used a lot of oil because we're going to be cooking off some meat now that's going to naturally render off a lot of fat. So to my pot I'm going to add now some rashers of bacon that I've chopped up and a few chorizo sausage here that I have sliced lengthways and then I cut into little strips. So add it all together and give this a good mix. We're going to cook this down now until some of that fat has started to render. Okay, now I've been frying this off for probably about 5 minutes now. Now I am making a large quantity. I've got to say this is going to feed, 6 people plus lunches perhaps. But that's why I do it, because I love having some left over for lunches and I love a meal that can see me through for a couple of nights. Obviously, if you want to make a smaller quantity, just halve the measurements in my recipe. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to add to the meat some ingredients to create our sauce. So I have here a bottle of passata. I'm going to add the whole bottle to the pan. So passata is just tomato puree. Give that a stir. And then to this I'm also going to add about 1/4 cup of good quality chili sauce. I like a really hot chili sauce. And obviously you can tone back on this if you don't want it to be too spicy. And I'm also going to add a good amount of ground black pepper. Alright, just mix that really thoroughly. And we're almost there. I mean, how easy has this been so far? The final step is we're going to add about 1/2 cup of freshly grated parmesan cheese. I'm going to lower my temperature down now because I don't need to cook anymore. I'm going to also add quite a bit of spring onion that I've chopped up. So nearly a whole bunch. Give it all a good mix. And your sauce is done. So simple and so full of flavour. Okay, now to this we are going to add our pre-cooked pasta. So I like to use large pasta shells. You can use whatever you like. And a little bit at a time, mix your pasta into the sauce. Well, how quick and simple was that? I have enough here to feed a lot of hungry people tonight, and I'm sure I'll have some for lunch tomorrow as well, which is exactly what I want. So time for a taste test. Let's have a go. What a great kick of heat. And that's why I love this dish, because my love of spice is now fused with my love of pasta and I've got a fantastic dish. Don't forget, always buy a good quality chorizo sausage. Good quality bacon, good quality ingredients will always guarantee a fantastic outcome. So if you want to try my spicy chorizo pasta, just check out the description box below. There you'll see a link to my website. Once you're there, have a browse and find this recipe underneath my Italian recipe tab. Don't forget, if you've liked this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or better still, subscribe to my channel so you always know what I'm up to in the kitchen, and I'll see you next time.